We can join two arrays using the concat method. In this sample script, we have two arrays, one named girls and the other boys. The girls array has 4 elements: Julie, Samantha, Laura, and Jill. The boys array has 5 elements: Bob, Joe, Walt, Sam, and Fred. The third variable is named combined. This variable will store the element values of both arrays using the concat method. To output these values, we can use our getElementById output method. Let's go ahead and preview this file in our web browser to see what the output looks like. Here we can see that the elements of both arrays have been outputted as we intended.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.